का जरिया।
सेफ स्पेस है, एक एम्पावरमेंट है, एक उम्मीद है उन लड़कियों के लिए जिनको इसकी सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत है।
प्रोत्साहन मेरे लिए मेरे सपनों का पंख है। प्रोत्साहन मेरे लिए एक जादू की छड़ी है। मेरे लिए प्रोत्साहन एक हौसला है।
प्रोत्साहन मेरे बच्चों के जीने के शिक्षा है।
मेरी बच्ची का भविष्य है। प्रोत्साहन एक अलग दुनिया है। मेरे लिए प्रोत्साहन खुशी है।
फॉर मी प्रोत्साहन इज हीलिंग।
इट्स अ गाइडिंग लाइट फॉर मी।
प्रोत्साहन मेरे लिए घर जैसा है।
लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने के लिए बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट है।
मेरे बच्चों के खुशी, बढ़िया पढ़ाई हो रहा है। मेरे लिए मेरा आत्मविश्वास है।
Protsahan is a Hindi word that means encouragement, and we are here orchestrating an ecosystem of care and encouragement for every vulnerable child in the country. And how we do it is through Protsahan's unique HEART approach, where HEART is an acronym that stands for H, health, E, education, A, arts-based recovery, R, rights, which is linkages and entitlements to the government schemes, and T, technology. Grounded in neuroscience and co-created with survivors, the HEART approach represents a shift from charity to systemic justice. It is not just a model imposed from above, but the one built from the floor of shelters, from the slum classrooms, and from the children who dared to dream beyond their trauma. HEART at Protsahan is now not just our approach, it is India's emerging blueprint for healing-centered, trauma-informed care for the most vulnerable child. The HEART approach is laced in every action of Protsahan. To build an ecosystem of protection for children in our country, Protsahan follows the triad of scale deep, scale up, and scale out. The depth of scale work is through the Girl Champions program that runs across the girl empowerment centers in the urban slum clusters of Delhi. It's really where the journey starts. We start from a point of rescue. From child marriages, child labor, child sexual abuse, begging, rag picking, and so on. From here, they move into the GCs, which are spaces of healing. These are the spaces where the girls learn to thrive. These are the spaces where the girls figure out their voice, agency, choice with dignity. We are building a safe space for the girls to heal and recover from trauma of abuse. We do that through arts-based therapy, one-on-one counseling, nukkad nataks, theatre, dance movement, clay therapy, origami, so much to heal the trauma that the child has faced. In addition to mental health and trauma regulation, Protsahan supports these girls with very specific access to sexual and reproductive health services and awareness sessions, a lot of scholarships and fellowships so that they're able to move into higher education. Some of the first girls in their families to enter universities with 100% scholarships. From here, the journey then moves on to linkages with the government schemes. From here, it moves on also to corporate trainings, mock interviews, and placement help. Because how would the trauma heal if there is no sense of agency and financial independence? And that's where the loop closes. But then what does an empowered girl do if the family and the community is not supportive of her dreams and thriving and wishes? It is here then the entire socio-ecological approach of the organization of Protsahan kind of kicks in. And it is here we work with the mothers, the Anganwadis, the child protection hubs, the entire communities at large to see the dreams that we have seen in the girls, to make sure the age of marriage gets delayed, the first pregnancy gets delayed, and the girl who is now financially independent is taking decisions and linking more people to the government access schemes that she has benefited. Gradually, the mindsets shift, and when the mindset shifts, the system enables and grows. This is systems change. This depth of scale work brings us to the second part of the triad, which is really the scaling out. That is what happens through the Careverse. Careverse is the force multiplier of the grassroots wisdom of the organization's work the last 15 plus years, which now moves into the trajectory of training and building capacities. Here, you become force multipliers. The idea behind Careverse has been that the entire child psychology exists in a language which is colonized, exists in Shakespearean English, which is not fair to the grassroots social worker, to the educator in Jharkhand, in Assam, in Chhattisgarh, in Maharashtra, in Bihar. How do you get to that grassroots social worker or an educator or a caregiver, child caregiver, how do you reach them, break the barriers of language and access, and make this entire grassroots lived wisdom of providing trauma-informed care in a language they understand? Hence was born CareVerse, a do-it-yourself module series of training capsules that are easily, freely, as a digital public good available on YouTube. In as simple words, go on, click, and you have the entire universe of care. CareVerse enables structured and standardized trainings of trauma-informed care to the entire child stakeholder group of child welfare committee members, juvenile justice board members, social workers, teachers at government schools and other little private schools. How do you enable an ecosystem of care beyond the communities, in the grassroots lived realities, to really where children in the country can be supported so that they thrive? This capacity building set of trainings is the next step in the ecosystem of enabling care through a ripple effect in the system. Now comes the third driver, scale up. This is where platforms like Hriday Dialogues enable the understanding of other similar players, but who may not necessarily have the networks or the resources or the intel to scale their work or to go deeper in their work. It is here that platforms that we've enabled at state level or national level, like Hriday Dialogues, bring in partners, bringing grassroots organizations together to share intelligence, to share grassroots wisdom, to enable field building across the landscape in the child protection ecosystem of the country. We're not leaving any part of the child protection ecosystem untouched. But more than that, we are bridging every gap within that ecosystem and empowering every entity within that ecosystem so that the dream of a trauma-informed Viksit Bharat, where every child is safe and thriving, is achieved.